Arizona Riders Club.
Come ride with us.
And action. You know who from 602? Look what I have here. Got my hands on a 2016 Tesla Model S, and man, is this thing fly. Let's go around this bad boy and take a look at it. What are those, 18-inch rims? Model S. I haven't got to play around with it too much, but from what I've done so far, man, this thing has some get up. It's the 75D model. I'm impressed so far. I've only been in it for about 15 minutes, but geez, this thing is fast. Head-breaking speed, it's almost scary. Only a couple other cars that I've been in, and they were supercars, so this thing is looking all right, man. However, you got a frunk in the front, a trunk in the back, junk in the trunk. She stay stacked. Y'all know how it goes. It's T just messing around with you. But this Model S Tesla is freaking amazing. We'll get into some of the specs in a quick second. I just wanted to go all the way around the car, take a look at it, give you guys a look. I like that colorway too. That silver pops, sun glistens right off it. Little chrome in there. Curvatures in the back. You know, initially when I saw these cars, I did not like them. I thought, why is it that electric cars always have to be ugly? Why? Why can't they be like Ferraris? Why can't they be like Beamers? Why can't they be like Mercedes? However, we all know this is the wave of the future. Have y'all seen those gas prices? Yeah, because I have. Now, I did a little research on what it would do, or what it would cost to actually own one of these things, right? So, realistically, it's probably better to get one used under warranty. From what I hear, there is very, very low maintenance on these things. You almost never have to change the brakes. It does not have oil, does not have gas, does not have fluids. It is all electric, which is amazing. However, in the crazy case that this battery goes dead, from what I hear, it's $30,000. Wrong. That could be battery plus installation. However, yeah. So I haven't heard too many bad things about these though. I haven't heard a lot. I did talk to a friend who had a Model S. It was a little bit newer, but he already had 100,000 miles on his, and I believe it was a 2019. So this guy is just getting it done, right, with this thing. He told me he hasn't had any problems whatsoever with it. Loves the car. And another thing that he loves is smoking all these supercars off the line. Now, obviously, half mile, you're going to get got. But quarter mile, there isn't many things that can beat this thing. This thing is magnificent, man, when it goes from 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds, something like that, which is crazy. You know what kind of money you'd have to spend to get that? Yeah, millions. Exactly. So, brand new, and I should say a 2022 version of the Model S, if I'm not mistaken, goes for $130,000, which, whew, man, oh man, that's a little bit right there, huh? Okay, I just had to pause real quick, make sure this thing was recording. Wanted to make sure that I got everything nice and direct for you. Yeah, man, that panoramic sunroof is amazing. Super quiet. Almost feels like it's not even on, which is kind of scary because I'm used to combustible engines, and with those combustible engines, you can always tell that the car is on, right? So it's got sensors all the way around the car. It's got the backup camera. It has the drive assist, but we'll wait. I'll wait until we get inside the car to give you more information regarding, some of the electronics and some of the perks that this car has. Now, you can open this trunk from the front. It's a little bit smaller. I'm not going to even get into that right now. And you can open the trunk in the back, which is a lot bigger. So pick this one up just to drive around town, test it out, see if I wanted to get one. I had a conversation with one of my homies at the barbershop who let me know that he loves his Tesla. I told him I rented one, wanted to just figure it out if I actually wanted to get one or not. He's like, believe me, you're going to fall in love with it, and you're going to go get yourself one. So right now, I do like the contour of the back. What does it remind me of? Maybe a Porsche Panamera? Now, obviously, the Tesla was out before the Panamera, but, I think they could have did a little bit better with the design on the outside, and hopefully they kind of doll it up a little bit on the future ones. So, not only do they have the Model S, they've got the, Model 3, Model X, and the Model S Plaid. That Model S Plaid is something fierce, man. Serious. Something fierce. Let me get you guys a good angle on this thing. Make sure you can see it nice and clear. Get out of that sun. It is a very sunny day. However, it is not that hot today, so I'm enjoying myself, man. So, there we go. Beautiful. Let's take a look at that badge. Badge of honor. I like that emblem, man. Yeah, Elon Musk, if you've ever done any research on the company Tesla, it goes way back. The first Tesla I ever saw was the Roadster. I'm not even sure they still make them, but that thing was crazy. If you go back and check some of my older videos, I was at Barrett-Jackson. They had a Tesla Model S there that just looked crazy. I mean, seriously crazy. It was like a 04 and it looked like a 2022, which was crazy. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do me a quick favor. A little housekeeping. Can you like the video? Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell just in case you want to see any of the videos that come up in the future. I'll give you a second to do that. All right back at it. We're going to go give you one more spin, one more gin around this thing. Man, it's starting to take a hold of me, guys. Y'all know how I do. I don't fall in love with them, but I will purchase it. Yeah. Beautiful looking whip, guys. Insane. Take a look at that, man. All right, y'all. Y'all know what it is. I'm holding up traffic, parked, double park, triple park. So I'm going to get up out of here. But before I let you go, you know who it is. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.